Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can convert your text to designs on CapCut browser. Again, go to Magic Tools and select text to design. Then you are going to upload, actually you can upload it here. So you can describe your needs. I'm just going to type in perfume, floral, sweet, fresh. Let's see what else. Women's perfume, maybe. Calm, subtle, luxurious. How do you spell that? But like affordable. Add in my image here. Just going to use the same image. I think I'm just going to use this one. And you can select the main purpose for the design. I'm just going to select social, and then I'm going to select generate, and it's going to generate some designs for me, and you can just select whichever one you want. Sorry, for instance, like this one maybe, or this one. Just select it and it's going to load. You can also like edit the text if you don't like the font, like these. I don't really like the font, but you can change it here. Oops. Make sure you select everything. You can change the font. Okay, this one's a little bit better, and you can also like resize it if that's too big. Like that. And again, I don't really like this. You can also like delete that, or like again change the font and stuff. I'm just going to resize it because that's a little bit too small. I think I'm just going to delete that. It's fine. The image quality isn't that great, but you can find like better image quality, of course. Once you're done, just export it. And that's it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.